Hi there, and welcome to Module 3. By now, if you have gone through Module 1 and 2, you have learned to navigate your way around a project. You have a general sense of where things are in the Revit world. You also have a general sense of how to model things, starting with walls and floors and working your way up to the ceiling and the roof. Although we have just touched on the basics to get you started, you should have a pretty good idea of how things work and how to model a house in Revit. Now, for the final portion of this playlist, Module 3, we will be going through how to put everything together and create construction documents. This module will walk you through creating different types of views, sections, and elevations. We will also go through dimensioning, annotating, tagging, and keynoting plans. The other items we will go through are legends for general notes, details, and lastly, creating a title block. By the end of this module, you will be able to really complete a project in Revit from schematic design through construction documents. Be sure to hit subscribe over there on the right, and I'll see you in the next video.